Hello everyone, I welcome you all to today's session wherein we'll be discussing questions of CAT level difficulty. So in this series of videos I bring forward questions of different difficulty levels of various topics. So in the same line today I have a question from the Venn diagrams area for you. So you can just pause the screen right now, try out this question and see which of the following option matches with your answer, and then you can resume watching the video. I however will be discussing this question. So if you are interested in getting exposure to different types of questions, different quality of questions, alright, difficulty levels, alright, different topics, so please ensure that you subscribe to our channel and share this question, this video in your study circle, right, with your friends, with people who like solving such questions, competitive exam questions, right. Let's get started with this question right now. So it says in a school there are 190 students. The number of students who like Pepsi is 100 and is same as the number of students who like Cola, which is same as the number of students who like Fanta. Fanta is also 100. The number of students who like exactly one of the three drinks is 110. If each student likes at least one drink, now when he says each student likes at least one drink, that means number of students who like 0 drinks, none of the drinks is 0. So there is nobody in the group who likes none of the 3 drinks. So everyone who is part of that group, each student likes at least one drink. Find the number of students who like all the 3. So we have to find exactly 3. Okay, so let's try to represent it diagram wise. So diagrammatically the situation will be as follows. The universal set is going to be 190 students. So there are a few students who like Pepsi, 100. Few who like Cola, and few who like Fanta, and there is nobody who does not like any of the 3 drinks, right? So basically this outside area is 0. Each person who is present here, each student likes at least one drink, so this is 0. Also exactly 1, that is these 3 together, is 110. I write that again. Exactly 0 is 0, this outside area. Now exactly 2, let us say, is some A. So exactly 2 is these 3 regions. And exactly 3, let's say, is some B. Okay. So the first equation that we may write down here is universal set N will be nothing but sum of the elements belonging to exactly 1, exactly 2 and exactly 3. This should be equal to 190, meaning exactly 1 is 110. Exactly 2 we have taken as A plus B is 190. So that means A plus B is 190 minus 110, 80. Okay, let's call this equation 1. One more equation that we can write down here is sum of the sets. So Pepsi plus Cola plus Fanta, 300, will be equal to exactly 1 one time, exactly 2 two times, exactly 3 three times. That's the formula. Is sum of the sets, which is 300. This will give us what? This is 110 plus 2a plus 3b is 300. So when you solve this, 2a plus 3b, you get as 190. Second equation. Now let's try to eliminate a here. So when you try to eliminate a by multiplying this by 2 and subtracting, 2a minus 2a cancels out. 3b minus 2b is b. So basically 1 into 2 minus second equation, 1 into 2. So equation 1 into 2 minus second equation gives us b will be equal to 190 minus 160, which is 30. So what was b? Exactly 3. So this is 30. And what will be a? When you substitute back, you will get the value of a as 50. So exactly 2 is 50. Exactly 3 is 30. Now what was the question? Question was find the number of students who like all the 3, exactly 3. So we got the value as 30 here. So that's option choice B is going to be the correct answer. So this is a question from Venn diagrams. So it may appear in your logical reasoning section also, might appear in your DI sometimes, can come in your Quant also as a single question generally. So I hope you are clear with this. So 30 will be the answer. So the formula that we have used here was, one was universal set is equal to sum of all the regions. Sum of the sets is equal to exactly one time, exactly two times, exactly three region three times. That sum should be equal to sum of the sets. Alright. So with that we have come to the end of the session today. Thank you and all the very best.